Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. And in today's newspaper of Thursday, May the 21st, 2024, and I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. By the way, in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will continue with the Jigsaw Sudoku. And the news of today, well, there are 3 countries, and they will recognize the Palestinian State. Those countries are, I believe, Norway, Spain, and Ireland. Yeah. All right. Jigsaw Sudoku number 8584. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. Well, don't think it's a 3 stars. I think it's rather a 0 stars because 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, 13 minutes. Maybe a 1 star. 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Nope. How about triple boxes then? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. No triple boxes here. How about quarter boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Here we have a quarter box. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. First one is the Z construction. The Z construction. Let me draw this here. The Z construction. If you mirror this, you will get the S construction. It's the same shape. But when you see this Z construction, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. But also that box has the same name as this box. So that box has the same name as this box. Alright. The Z constructions. Do we have more? Yeah, this one. Rotated. This box has the same name as that box, and that box has the same name as this box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Here another 1. Alright. So this box has the same name as that box, and that box has the same name as this box. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. Yeah. Let me draw this shape here. Why you see this kind of shape? Remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Well, nope, only one. Then the following shape. How about the L shape upside down? Yeah, upside down. Let me draw this here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do you have more L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more. Well, we have another one here. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround a 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area, supposed to be here, and is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Alright, then let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. We have a double 3 there, so 1 digit left in this quarter box for number 4 is connected with that box, so we also 4. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 5, 3 and 5, okay. Then let me see. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, but also that box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area, supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can't be a 1 anymore. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 1, that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and 5. Well, is connected with that box. 3 and 5 is connected with that box. Should be so 3 and 5. But we already have 5 here. So it can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 3. Is connected with that box. Should be so 3. Is connected with that box. Should be so 3. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be here. This box can be 1. So the 1 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5 is connected with this box. It's also 1 and 5. So 1 is left in this L-shaped area for number 2. Alright. Oh, no. 3. We already have a 2 here. This box should be a 3. Double check. Yeah. Alright. So we need a 2 in this Z construction. Yeah. Could be here, could be there. This box can be 4. This box can be 2. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So here can be 2. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. So 1 is left in this area for number 1. Now we have 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. This box should be 5. Is connected with that box should be so 5. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 1. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for numbers 2 and a 1. Let me mark those. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 3. Those 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. 3 and 5. We have 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Mark those 2 boxes elevated 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. And this one is connected with that box. Should be so 2. And I've eliminated here the 1. So the 1 goes and there. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Is also connected with that box. Should be also 4 and 5. Is also connected with that box. Should be so 4 and 5. Here we have a pair. So the other pair in this area are numbers 2 and 1. 2 and 1. We have 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes and there. Then let me see. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this quadra box. Supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 2 and the 1. 2 should be here. And a 1 goes there. Alright, we go up. Mark those 2 boxes elevator 1. We have a 1 now. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then. Let me think. 4 and a 5. Well. We have 1 here. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that box can be a 2 anymore. We have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 2, but also that box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5 is connected with that box. So 3 and the 5. 4 and a 5. We have a double 5 here. Yeah. That means that this box can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box is a 4, is connected with that box, should be also 4. And 1 number left in the Z construction for number 5 is connected with that box, should be also 5. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. So this box should be a 3, is connected with that box, should be so 3. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those. Alright, I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4, 2 and 4. I think this box should be a 2 because can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Mark those 2 boxes elevated 2 and 4. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and 4 goes and there. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this second area. For numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 3 goes there. Finished in 30 minutes. Well, told you. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 30 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.